Hello, my name is Carlos Vaquero. I am 21 years old. I am a student industrial engineer at the UNAC. I was at my grandmother's house sharing while the family were eating delicious Christmas desserts. Chicken with rice is a typical dish from Bogota and is very common at family meetings. List ingredients. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 pound of onions, 2 pounds of salt, 200 millimeters of olive oil, 2 carrots, half pound the green pea, 1 cup the ketchup, 5 house sauces. Preparation. To cut the ones of chicken breast in the abundant water and salt the paste, then of course the chicken breast rest for 10 minutes and later shred the chicken breast. After that, in the pot or container, add the 200 millimeters of the oil, add the onion chopped into small squares, add the 2 spoons of salt. Then add the sausage chopped in series and late fried during 5 minutes approximately, and add the green peas. Add chicken breast, add the ketchup, add the carrot chopped in small squares, and cook for 2 minutes. To not fry next, add the rice and the garnish, then add the 4 cups of water and increase the fried onion until white the rice cooked well and finish the cook to cook for 15 minutes. Just not for final serving in the flat white combination or your choice. I need to visit the city of Bogota and taste in the gastronomy. Thank you very much.